Welcome to My How Tools, your trusted one-stop source to refresh your training and guide you along in high-performance job quality. In this video, we will talk about entertainment and computer systems and component replacement to reduce energy usage and maintain effective performance. There's 3 phases to this process. Selection. You have to select new equipment that is more energy efficient while still maintaining or improving upon the functionality of the last piece of equipment. Installation. You have to install the new piece of equipment. And lastly, decommissioning. You have to properly dispose of the old equipment. Selecting the equipment. You want to make sure that the category of equipment selected meets the occupant's preference and has the lowest available energy use. Example, plasma versus light emitting diode or LED. The equipment should have a minimum energy efficiency level of Energy Star. Also, make sure the equipment selected does not have to be left on during non-use periods for updates like gaming systems or set-top boxes. The standby losses for systems should be 1 watt or less. Installation. While you're installing the equipment, you should make sure that it is available for use when needed, it is convenient to turn off when not in use, and make sure that the occupant will be educated on how to operate and maintain that equipment. Make sure to install the equipment following all manufacturer specifications such as air circulation, and make sure that you're meeting all applicable codes. Remember, any penetrations to the exterior of the home created during the installation should be sealed. All energy-saving features should be enabled unless you are specifically directed otherwise by the occupant. A readily accessible means of disconnection like a power strip or timer should be provided for equipment. It should also be able to be disconnected from the power source to avoid standby losses without damaging the equipment's performance. All equipment controls should be demonstrated to the occupant, along with instructions about proper maintenance, warranty information, the operation manuals, and your contact information in case they need you or have questions in the future. After you install the new equipment, decommission the old equipment to prevent the reuse of inefficient equipment and its components. Reduce waste and dispose of hazardous materials. This can be accomplished easily by properly recycling using EPA's Responsible Recycling or R2 initiative principles. So let's review. Select a piece of equipment that meets the occupant's needs while having the lowest available energy use. The equipment should have the minimum level of Energy Star. Next, make sure the equipment doesn't have to be left on when not in use. The standby loss should be 1 watt or less. Now install the equipment so that it is available when needed and convenient to turn off, following all manufacturer's specifications. Then, enable energy-saving features on the equipment. Make sure there's a readily accessible means of disconnection like power strip. Demonstrate the controls of the new equipment to the occupant and provide them with any written instructions, warranty, manuals, and your contact information should they have questions in the future. And finally, decommission the old equipment by disposing or recycling properly. To do this, you can consult the EPA's Responsible Recycling Initiative principles. For more details on that, head on over to epa.gov. Well, that concludes this segment of My How Tools. Remember, work hard, work smart, and be safe.